I'm Alex Vishnevskiy, CEO and founder of MeshInspector, and I'm happy to be here from next 2024 and introduce our product to the public. The idea of MeshInspector came to us when our custom development was a little bit slow in 2020, when due to COVID, most of our clients suspended projects because no one knew what to expect, and we had some available time, some free resources. We decided that we have a very good expertise in working with 3D data, and it's a good time to utilize this expertise to create something new that doesn't exist on the market, and we started working on it. So originally we created MeshLib. It's a very robust SDK, full geometrical kernel which can be used as a platform for development different applications. From the very beginning, we decided that it should be fully cross-platform. It should be able to work on anything, maybe including microwave oven, but not at the moment. Our library is able to work on Windows, Linux, macOS, and in a browser. During our work on MeshLib SDK, we understood that the best way to demonstrate its abilities is just to build an application on top of it, which would be able to show what developer can do with MeshLib. So we created application and named it MeshInspector. After we created a standalone MeshInspector application, we understood that there is a demand on the market for simple, easy-to-use tool which can do different workflows. One of them is 3D scanning, when we scan data and then process it and refine. The another one is 3D printing, when we start from scan and then prepare mesh to be printed. All this became possible due to our team of real experts in software development, computational geometry, and algorithm creation. There are more than 30 US patents which were invented by the members of our team, and all this makes us capable of producing more and more very strong and powerful algorithms and very good software. MeshInspector is sure to be capable in different industries. We have clients in digital dentistry, in customized medical devices, in 3D printing industry, etc. Partnering with Polyga was very natural for us because they produce very good quality scanners, very accurate and easy to use.
We've partnered up with MeshInspector to use the MeshLib library to develop our new PointKit 3D scanning software. Working with them has really allowed us to accelerate the development of the software and come out with new features faster and easier. And so far, working with the MeshInspector team has been wonderful. They've provided amazing technical support, and we wouldn't have been able to come to market as quickly as we have been without their help.
We welcome you to visit our YouTube channel, which has a bunch of useful videos, and give a try to our software.